Governor Walz made a stop in Rochester today, celebrating Minnesota's recently passed COVID-19 recovery budget and the boost in funding it secures for kids across the state. KIMT News 3's Anthony Monzon was with the governor this afternoon and joining us now with more on his visit.
Well, Katie, it's certainly been a busy couple of months for the Walz administration, and after months of intense negotiation crafting Minnesota's new two-year budget, Governor Walz came to Rochester highlighting what he calls a historic investment included in the spending plan that will increase access to affordable, high-quality childcare coming out of the pandemic.
All right, coming down.
Standing slide by slide with the little ones who stand to gain the most from Minnesota's over $500 million investment in childcare and early education. A group of early learners in the Med City were treated to an unexpected play date with Governor Walz as the chief executive toured the home of the Boys and Girls Club of Rochester and Families First of Minnesota, celebrating the passage of the state's new biennial budget.
It's a day to take stock of what's been done. It's a day to give thank yous. It's a day to be hopeful about the future because our healthcare and our earliest learners are truly our future. And this is a place we wanted to come to say thank you, to highlight and show what's possible.
The governor admits it wasn't easy securing this investment, but state lawmakers were able to come together to do what's best for Minnesota's children.
This was not about me winning. It wasn't about Republicans winning, Representative Liebley winning. It was about what's right for Minnesota. And I think when we got in that room and recognized, I truly believe there's more things that we could have done, but I also recognize that my Republican colleagues didn't agree with some of those, and we could reach that compromise.
Also on hand was State Representative Tina Liebling of Rochester, who received repeated praise from Governor Walz for the integral role she played in negotiating the boost.
I think a lot of that was the availability of the federal funds. That certainly helped. But a lot of it was just the recognition of how Minnesota had been impacted by the pandemic, and that really to move forward and to be the healthy state that we all want to be, that we really needed to invest in our kids.
Local child care leaders expressing great appreciation for the new resources they've been granted, increasing their ability to manage today's problems for tomorrow's leaders.
There is no doubt that kids in our communities are facing ever-increasing challenges, and there is no doubt that our community here in Rochester and across the state has the caring, the will, and the know-how to support them overcoming those challenges. So I'm really grateful to the governor and to the lieutenant governor for coming out today to be able to see some of that in action.
While reiterating there's still work left to be done bolstering support for child care across the state, Governor Walz says new metrics show Minnesota's economy is experiencing one of the fastest recoveries from the pandemic across the nation, which he attributes to parents having a safe place to leave their kids as they return to their workplaces. Katie?
Thanks, Anthony.